to install RiceDroid in your Redmi K20 Pro. This custom ROM is fully optimized and you get tons of customization in this custom ROM. You should definitely try out this custom ROM. This will give you a very good long battery life, and this is definitely a good ROM for your daily usage. Now let's flash this custom ROM. Now we are in the recovery mode. Unlock, and this is the file RiceDroid 12.1, and this is the official build. The previous build was unofficial, and this is the second build, and it has come with the official build now. So you will get a update with the new security patch in once or two times in a month, I guess. Okay, now let's go to wipe and select Dalvik cache system vendor data. This 5 partition you need to wipe. Swipe to wipe. Okay, now wipe is complete. Now go back to the folder where you have placed the files. This is the file. First, you need to flash the Android 11 firmware, add to queue, and then select RiceDroid 12.1. Swipe to install, and this will take a few minutes, so please be patient and wait for the complete installation. Don't do anything while it's getting flashed. Patching system image unconditionally, patching vendor image unconditionally. Okay, it has been installed. The firmware and the custom ROM has been installed. Now if you are encrypted user, if your phone is encrypted, then go to wipe and go to format data, type yes, and then reboot into system. But in my case, I am not going to format. I will flash disable force encryption because I am decrypted user. Alright, decrypted user don't need to wipe or format. Now let's flash DFE and then reboot into system. Let's see how it boot up. Okay, this is the boot animation of RiceDroid. You can see the boot animation of Pixel, Google Pixel, right? Now, okay, so you don't get the setup wizard here because it comes with minimal GFs build, so you don't have any setup wizard in the start. Okay, this is the quick setting panel. This is how it looks. What do we have here? We have caffeine, AOD, system profiles. Let's see. On the go, CPU info, FPS info, DC dimming we get there. Okay, so this is the system profile: silent, default, automobile. FPS meter is working on the left corner, you can see. Let me turn off the Bluetooth, dark mode, turn off. Okay, you get, this is how it looks. You don't get much application here. You have this, what is this? Audio FX. Okay, this is the bass booster and virtualizer for your sounds, audio, and you get music player here. You get music player in default in this custom ROM. Alright, this is the phone contact, Let's go to settings, Android version. Here you can see sigil of release type official, and you have the security patch 5th June 2022, and the kernel is PSSG battery, and this custom ROM will give you a better battery backup because this custom ROM is focused on battery performance. And you get the customization in settings. You get tons of customization in this custom ROM, right? I guess we have a gaming mode here. Yes, you get game space, unlock higher FPS, swipe to screenshot, pocket detection. Okay, there are lots of customization in this here. We get to see utilities. RiceDroid left. Do we have screen of apod? No, we don't. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoy watching this type of content, then please hit that like button and subscribe the channel for free, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new video in the future. Always keep smiling. Goodbye.
Even when we say goodbye.